emergency. And first aid kit. Survival kits in a variety of sizes contain supplies and tools to provide a survivor with basic shelter against the elements, help them to keep warm. Meet basic help and first aid needs, provide food and water, signal to rescuers, and assist in finding the way back to help. Here are examples of emergency kit. Foods. Important documents. Flashlight. Match. Water. No one expects to be caught in a potentially dangerous and extreme situation, such as a natural disaster. If the unthinkable does occur, having a plan and knowing what to do could make all the difference for you and your loved ones. These 4 tips can help you stay safe during a disaster. If you have not been ordered to evacuate, stay in a safe area or shelter during a natural disaster. In your home, a safe area may be a ground floor interior room, closet, or bathroom. Be sure you have access to your survival kit in case you are in an emergency event that lasts several days. Listen to your portable radio for important updates and instructions from local authorities. Remember to have a battery-powered radio in your survival kit. Some radios are now equipped with multiple power sources, such as batteries, solar panels, and a hand crank. If power is lost, use a generator with caution. Make sure conditions are safe before operating a portable generator. Only operate it outside, away from windows, doors, or vents. Follow all manufacturers' instructions. Stay in your safe area and do not drive until the danger has passed. Resist the temptation to check on your property until you are sure it is safe to do so.
Thank you for watching.